It's on the 5th day of May, but I could not hold on to her very long. So I cut off my hair and I rode straight away for the wild unknown country where I could not go wrong. I came to a high place of darkness and light. Dividing line ran through the center of town. Hitched up my pony to the post on the right. Went into the laundry to wash my clothes down. Man in the corner, he approached me for a match. I knew right away he was unordinary. He said, "Are you looking for something easy to get?" Said, "I ain't got no money." I said, "That ain't necessary." We set out that night for the cold in the north. He gave me my blanket and he gave me his word. Said, "Oh, you're going," said, "we'll be back by the fall." I said, "That's the best news that I ever did heard." Thinking about turquoise, I was thinking about gold. I was thinking about Isis and the world's biggest necklace. As I rode through the canyons in the devilish cold, I was thinking about Isis, and I thought I was so reckless. We came to the pyramids all embedded in ice. He said, "There's a body I'm trying to find. If I carry it out, it'll bring a good price." It was then that I knew what he had on his mind. The wind was howling and the snow was outrageous. We chopped through the night and we chopped through the dawn. When he died, I was hoping that it wasn't contagious, but I made up my mind that I had to go on. I broke into the tomb, but the casket was empty. There were no jewels, no nothing. I felt I'd been had when I saw that my partner was just being friendly. When I took up his offer, well, I must have been mad. I picked up his body and I drugged him inside. Threw him down in the hole and I put that good cover. I said a quick prayer and I felt satisfied. Then I rode off to find Isis just to tell her I love her. She was there in the meadow where the creek used to rise, blinded by sleep and in need of a bed. I came in from the east with the sun in her eyes. I cursed her one time, then I rode on ahead. She said, "Where you been?" I said, "No place special." She said, "You been gone?" I said, "Well, I guess." She said, "You look different." I said, "That's only natural." She said, "You're gonna stay?" I said, "If you want me to, yes." Isis, oh Isis, you're a mystical child. What drives me to you is what drives me insane. I still can remember the way that you smile on the 5th day of May in the drizzle in the rain. On the 5th day of May